Hello student, this is second video on projection of plane. So in my last video, that is my first video on introduction of projection of plane, that I missed this tetrahedron structure. This tetrahedron structure, this this tetrahedron structure. This in this tetrahedron structure we have triangular faces like this one, this two, this three, and this four. This one, this two, backside 3, and in bottom 4. So we have four triangular face structure in this tetrahedron as like in cube. So this is all about tetrahedron structure. Now come on to these left side figure. So these are the placement of this pyramid. These are the placements of first two. This first two is a square pyramid placement. This third and fourth, this third and this fourth is a pentagonal pyramidal true surface placement, and these last two is hexagonal pyramid true surface placements. सो इसमें होता है क्या है कि हमें प्लेसमेंट का बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंटली वी हैव टू वेरी केयरफुली नो अबाउट द प्लेसमेंट. अगर हमारा प्लेसमेंट गलत हो गया फिगर को, अगर क्वेश्चन में अगर आया है कि साइड इज़ टू इंक्लाइंड एंड तब हमें साइड ही चाहिए इंक्लाइन के लिए, देन दिस लाइक दिस यू हैव टू प्लेस द if a question is about a square pyramid, this is square pyramid, and the question a side is inclined, so side is inclined with the HP or with the VP according to the question. So you have to place a side onto the right side like this. You have to place the side right side. So these 2 point जो है ये जो पॉइंट है ये आने चाहिए आपके XY पे as you studied in the plane. So if in a question a corner is to be inclined with HP or a VP, you have to place the figure this square pyramid in such a manner. So these the line that comes in this center like this, and these are the slant edges, when you see it from the top, you will find this structure. You also know we also completed the chapter of orthography. When you see this figure from the top in true surface, when you will draw the true surface and see this figure, see this square pyramid from the top, and you will get these faces, these bases, and this true placements. So और अगर क्वेश्चन में साइड को इंक्लाइन करना है तो आपको इस ऐसे प्लेस करना है, एंड इफ कॉर्नर इज टू प्लेस यू हैव टू प्लेस लाइक दिस. सो सेम दिस pyramid, if this pyramid having has a base, pentagonal bases, so there are two the same thing that we already discussed in plane. And if question is about a side is to incline, then you have to incline the side, or draw the structure in such a manner that a side comes in the right side, so that you can incline this side with HP or VP according to the question. And if a question is asked about corner is to incline, then you can easily incline if you will place this corner in the right side, and then further inclination according to the question. So these are the base, these are the top view, or we can say that the true surface of this pentagonal, this is pentagonal pyramid. When you will see it from the top, you will you will get these faces, and these line joined, and the center, this center O and P. Why O and P? Because this center, this is axis center, we write it with P, and this O is at the top. When you will see it from the top, both these point coincide, एक के ऊपर एक पॉइंट आ जाएगा, कौन साइड आ जाएगा। तो जो उसका नेमिंग है तो वो हम O/P ऐसे लिख रहे हैं, बिकॉज P इज़ द नेमिंग at this center axis and this is O. Then same with this hexagonal pyramid. We are talking about pyramid, that's why all these lines joining slant edges, and this center is O/P. O is the top and this center is P, so this point overlap. That's why we because ये सिंगल पॉइंट आ रहा है ना, बिकॉज इसके नीचे ही दूसरा पॉइंट है, तो O/P करके लिखा है। तो इफ़ अगर प्लेसमेंट इज़ if is a question side is to inclined, you have to draw this, you have to place this figure hexagonal pyramid in such a manner. If a corner is to be inclined with HP or VP according to a question, you have to, the placement is very important in all the question of projection of plane and projection of solid. So अगर आपका प्लेसमेंट सही हो गया तो आपका क्वेश्चन सही चलेगा, अगर प्लेसमेंट ही गलत है तो आपका क्वेश्चन जो है वो शुरू से ही गलत होगा और एंड तक गलत जाएगा। सो क्वेश्चन को पढ़ना इम्पॉर्टेंट है और फर्स्ट प्लेसमेंट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट। सो आई एम वेरी मेरा जो मेन फोकस है वो है कि स्टूडेंट जो है केयरफुली क्वेश्चन को पढ़े और उसका राइट प्लेसमेंट करे पहला। तो अगर क्वेश्चन का राइट प्लेसमेंट हुआ तो आपका क्वेश्चन सही होने के पूरे चांसेस हैं, तो नहीं तो आपका प्लेसमेंट अगर गलत है तो शुरू से ही क्वेश्चन गलत है, तो एग्ज़ामिनर उसी से ही आपको मार्क्स देगा। सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ solid. I discussed with this pyramid, this square, pentagonal and this hexagonal with different side. If side is in corner and if corner is in corner, if this side of pentagonal, this corner is pentagonal, this hexagonal side and this. And one more thing, if in a question, अगर क्वेश्चन में आया है कि this जो ये जो साइड है और ये जो प्लेन है लाइक दिस, ये जो चीज़ है ये इंक्लाइंड है, ये इंक्लाइंड है, दिस प्लेन इज़ इंक्लाइंड, दिस ट्राइंगुलर फेस इज़ इंक्लाइंड, और वो ट्राइंगुलर फेस यही है, तब भी आपको प्लेसमेंट ऐसे बनना है, उसका ऐसे रखना है फिगर को। अगर तो उन्होंने कहा है कि एज इज़ इंक्लाइंड, दिस स्लांट एज इज़ इंक्लाइंड, नॉट अ प्लेन, नॉट अ दिस प्लेन, only slant edge is inclined, then you have to draw place this figure in such a way. अगर क्वेश्चन में दिया है कि पेंटागोनल में कि फेस जो है जैसे ये वाला फेस है, ट्रायंगुलर फेस is in the triangular face of this pentagonal prism. This is square prism. If for example if this is a pentagonal pyramid, then this face of this pentagonal pyramid with this edge is inclined with HP or VP, then you have to draw in this way. You have to place the figure in such a manner. And if they say this line, this slant edge, this is called slant edge, then you have to place this figure in such a way. So the true surface placement is very important, and same with this also. So these are some more add on this point, this important point, that you know about that to better understand the question and betterly make the true surface and then proceed the question. So this is all about projection of solid. Some more video I will definitely will make on this projection of solid, that will help you to come out from this problem of projection of solid. Thank you.